Now this problem is extremely strange, so I'll pause part of the way through if you want to pause the video and then continue working after you get it kind of started. So what this is having us turn it into is moles of Na. Now notice I'm starting with chlorine, and again, if you've had chemistry 4 and you're thinking chlorine is diatomic, just hang on, we haven't learned that yet, and so we're talking about single chlorine atoms here. So 2.6 grams of just the Cl. And then remember, since I'm in Cl, I'm going to have to eventually get to moles because I got to get to someone else. So we'll go from grams of Cl into moles of Cl. And then drop that right away down. So moles of Cl. Now at this point, the only way to get from moles of Na to moles of Cl is through this. Now, if you want to go ahead and say, okay, in that I have 1 mole of Na and that's equal to 1 mole of Cl, and that's fine if you do it that way. Another way you can do it though is you can go ahead and convert it into the NaCl. And then you're going to have to drop this unit down, moles of NaCl, into, now this is where we can go to the other unit, the moles of Na. So you'll see like this, the NaCl totally cancels out doing it that way. And that's where we can stop because it wants us to stop at moles of Na atoms. So I'll pause for a second. You go fill it in and see if you get the same answer that I'm going to get. All right, so this is 35.45 in 1 mole. And you start with one of the large, this is a compound, but you start with one of them. And then notice that right here, there's an understood 1. And then again, you start with one of the large compound. And then notice that right there, that's an understood 1. And so that's going to give me .6 times, and if you'll notice, actually I don't have anything else on the top, do I? And then divided by 35.45. And if you notice, I don't have anything else. And so that gives me, oops, give me a funny number here. I'll write it in at 2.6 divided by 35.45. 0.073342.7. So that's plenty of extra sig figs. Notice right here I have 1, 2 sig figs, and right here I have 1, 2 sig figs. I should be doing that in orange. 2 sig figs. And so I'll look at this, and you'll notice that this does not round up because that's a 3 right there. And then I just need to put this in scientific notation. So 7.3 times 10 to the 2 moles of Na.